जा रहा है सीएसके और आरसीबी का मैच का। आयन है सीएसके का कैप्टन, आरसीबी का कैप्टन आयुष। अब and is telling heads but it's come tails. So Ayush,
We would like to bat first.
okay,
Let's go.
कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
Nope.
Nope.
ये एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन फील्डर है, मतलब फील्डर क्या बैट्समैन है।
Batsman, we are going to take runs and let's
Okay.
see how many sixes and fours we can make
Okay.
out
You serious?
of these balls.
So the match will begin in 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 10, 9,
Ayan is placing the field. He's ready now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game on.
our game off.
Oh, no run in the first ball. So it's a dot ball.
Hey, I'm a creaser by it all.
It's a wide. Oh! It will be only one run. It will be only one run. Yes, yes, yes. So now Devorshi is in strike. Fourth ball of the over. Lovely shot and it will be 4 runs. Lovely shot from Devorshi. And it now the fifth ball for the first over. Lovely shot and it will be 4 runs again. Oh, it's a 6. So Devorshi has hit in a 6. So last ball of the over. Oh, it's a miss. So after 1 over, Royal Challengers Bangalore 11 runs for 0 wickets. Now the second ball of the second over. Oh, it's a dot ball again. Now the third ball of the second over. Lovely shot and it will be 4 runs. What a cracking shot from Ayush. The scores are 1.3, 15 runs for 0 wickets. Now the fourth ball of the over. The second over. And it will be another boundary. Third over, Aniruddha will bowl. It's a wide. Wide ball from Aniruddha. Now the second ball of the...
Second or first is white tube.
Oh, the first ball of the third over. Lovely shot and it will be a 6 runs. Unacademy cracking 6s of the match. He's a contender for that. Third ball of the third over. Third. Lovely shot and it will be 4. No, he's not gone for boundary. So it will be just 1 run. It was a cracking shot from Devorshi. But
Crack the ball.
yes. Last ball of the innings.
Bacha is bowling.
Bacha is bowling at that. Oh, it's a boundary. It is a boundary. Almost went for a 6, but it's a boundary. So after the innings has completed, RCB has made 32 runs for 0 wickets. So the target for Chennai Super Kings is 33 runs. First ball. Oh, it's a dot. Oh, they're taking single. Arsenal has taken a single. Second ball of the first over. It will be a wide. 1 ball 3 run. Oh, it will be a 1 run. It will be 1 run. Yes. Now the third ball. Devorshi is not ready. Now he's ready. Oh, it's a lovely shot. And it will be... Oh, it's not gone for a boundary. It has not gone for a boundary. It has not gone for a boundary. Well tried from Arsalan, but it's not a boundary. 4 balls, 7 runs. Now the fifth ball.
No ball.
It's a no ball.
Wide, wide.
It's a no ball. It's a no ball. It will be now a free hit. Fifth ball of the over. Now a free hit. Oh, it's a miss. It's a miss. It's a miss. It's a miss. So now the last ball of the over. 8 runs are there on the board. And it will be 2 runs.
11
So, so after 1 over, it's 10 runs for 0 wickets. First ball of the second over. Oh, it's an edge and it will be 2 runs. It's an overthrow. So it's 3 runs in total. Second ball of the second over. Oh, they're taking the single. They are taking the single. Yes. So it's a single. Scores are 13 for 0 wickets. The third ball of the second over. Oh, it's a cracking shot. That is going for boundary. No. It has been stopped. So it's a 1 run. It's a 1 run. Fourth ball of the second over. CSK need 20 runs from 8 balls. Oh, it will be 2 runs. Yes, it will. It's a 2 runs. It's 2 runs. So CSK need now 18 from 7 deliveries. Over the last. Oh, it's a lovely shot. Has it got for a boundary? No. It's a 1 run. So in the last over, CSK required 17 runs from 6 deliveries. Oh, it has been stopped. It has been stopped. So 3 balls, 13 runs required. 13 runs required. So they're taking another single. Oh, they're taking the. So it will be 2 runs. So now 2 balls, 11 required. 10. It's a cap. 2 balls, 11. Oh, it's a lovely shot, but I think RCB have won the game.
2 ball 10 runs. Also 1 ball 10 runs.
1 ball, 10 runs. Last ball of the match. So it hit hard only, but it will be 1 run only. So RCB has won the game by 8 runs. Well played. बोलना चाहेंगे?
बड़ा अच्छा लगा मैच, एकदम कॉम्पिटिटिव था।
बैक टू बैक गिफ्ट जीत के कैसा लग रहा है?
एकदम बढ़िया लग रहा है।
ठीक है, कांग्रेचुलेशन।
धन्यवाद।